I was super skinny and then like I gained a lot of weight. So like I wear makeup.
Makeup doesn't cover that. Gym changes that.
We're going to fight, but that's fine. Whatever.
What? No, makeup doesn't make you skinnier.
I didn't say it made me skinnier.
She don't think.
What are we fighting about then?
She doesn't think she has natural beauty. She's really hard on herself about that.
We all have our own types. But what are we fighting about? Losing weight? There is something happening there.
You're going to throw the victim thing out again. I need a minute.
Caleb Hammer triggers this woman so bad she leaves the show. As Caleb Hammer tries to help this couple's finances and get out of this massive debt, she breaks down from the stress. So like and subscribe as we follow financial distress and how to get out of it. So let's check it out.
Yeah, I paid mine immediately. Like as soon as we took it. My portion.
Oh, so it wasn't just your friend? You went on a cruise.
Yeah.
I thought you said the universal thing was the only thing we do for ourselves.
I didn't want to go. I had a horrible time.
Dude,
if that makes you feel better.
You did. It doesn't. It doesn't.
It was miserable.
Let me know, folks. Personally, I would never want to be on a cruise. Just not my thing.
I don't care. Well, I mean that sucks. Okay. I mean, yeah, it's a Carnival cruise.
Yeah, it sucked.
Oh.
Carnival.
I've never been on a cruise.
Yeah, especially a Carnival cruise. Boy, I have seen the video footage of that. You couldn't pay me to go on a Carnival cruise. No way.
Okay, so why'd you spend on this? Why'd you do it?
Because I'm a pushover? I guess. I don't know.
No, you're easy to do pushover. But you don't have to be a pushover on everything.
Her and her friend kind of had a falling out before the cruise. That's what made
it was
awful.
Awkward. Yeah, it was really bad.
Wait, so what happened? You were just there with someone you hated?
Pretty much.
Yeah, it was bad.
Well, why be so catty? Why have a permanent fallout?
Well, it wasn't so much permanent, but it's not where the friendship used to be.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this. So this is Klarna or Affirm? I don't know which one that is.
Klarna.
Okay, so Klarna, $348.99. Minimum monthly payment looks like. Okay, this is Ticketmaster. The Universe is the only thing we've ever done for ourselves.
We took the kids to a concert.
Yeah, we, as in you, got to also enjoy.
Yeah, but we took the kids.
Come on. If a kid goes to something you wanted to do, it doesn't mean you cannot do it for you. Who was the concert to?
Creed. They liked him.
They like to.
I don't really believe there's hardly, if not too many parents taking their kids to go to a Creed concert. And if you take your kids with, it's because they have to come with you. Like, they don't have a choice.
Older rock bands.
Shut the fuck up.
They had fun.
Like, they don't even seem confident in trying to explain it.
Uh-huh.
They did. They were living their best lives.
$85.32 is your minimum payment on here. This is ridiculous. And you're probably at that, like 35.99% Klarna. Oh, you guys are addicted to going concerts, I'm being told. Addicted. Heavy on the word addicted.
Not addicted.
Uh-huh. Literally, she never interacts, and she just went, yeah, do tell before she fucking types me something that's going to call us all out.
We do go to concerts a lot. We normally take
two
or three a year, but we only pay.
Guys, you don't have an emergency fund.
But we don't buy like expensive tickets. Like we get like the $20 like lawn tickets at Noblesville.
And I'm being told that's not true, and you do get expensive tickets.
We've only bought expensive tickets once.
Okay, well that counts. And when was that?
A couple years ago.
Jelly Roll a couple years ago.
We got floor seats.
Ooh. Floor seats at a Jelly Roll, that's gotta be really expensive. I don't know.
You don't have an emergency fund, and we're doing multiple concerts a year?
It's like $90.
Yes, you don't have an emergency fund, lady. You're a mother. Remember? But what is this? I got some dumbassery. Beneficiary? 401k loan! Brag about retirement in the episode and they have a 401k loan. Okay, that's great. Why do we have a 401k loan?
We took that out to put a down payment on our house that we live in now.
Guys, what happens if he gets fired? Do you know?
They take it out of what's in there.
They call it due. Yes.
Yeah.
Due. Layoffs are happening this year. Across everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, $9,197.69. Payment comes out of your pay, though.
Yeah.
And
I'm
it's
not gonna
only
put
at
it down.
2% interest.
2%, but it's like it's not gaining any value or anything. It still sucks. I mean, you literally financed your down payment. That's objectively bad.
Yeah, like the whole point of a down payment is that this is cash, so you don't have to finance the whole thing. I mean, I get I get wanting to avoid PMI because you need at least 20% equity in the home to not pay that, which is just a big FU. Like, it's supposed to be a type of insurance, but really doesn't insure you for anything. That saves you some money, but you're still financing the whole house. So, I mean, it kind of defeats the purpose of the down payment if you're trying to make a large portion or not. And at that point, I mean, if you had to take a loan out, a separate loan for that, I mean, that could be at an even higher interest rate than the actual home loan.
Yeah.
You don't finance down payment. It's a down payment. And there's two of them, but it totals to that $9,000.
Yeah, we were just trying to get out of the situation that we were in with my parents.
Yeah, which, I mean,
wasn't great.
You know how you almost confronted me there for a second? Even though it was with very flawed logic and manipulative tactics? At least take that energy and try to do it with your parents. Just not the manipulative one. Or the flawed logic part. But use that energy.
Yeah.
And have a conversation with them.
Yeah.
Hilton Honors Card. That's what we need when we don't have an emergency fund. What's going on with this?
So when we were in Orlando, she caught me with her damn pencil skirt. So like she came up and I thought, this really cute girl came up to us when we were in the lobby. Like,
are we looking for a third?
No. So like she came up to us.
Sometimes, I don't know.
She came up to us when we were sitting in the lobby and I thought it was just like a points card.
Like if you stayed at a Hilton hotel, they
Like, it
gave
was
you
just,
rewards
like,
to another stay.
And then it came in the mail.
Oh, God.
And then
I'm a
the
dummy.
credit card came in the
I'm
mail.
kind of dumb sometimes.
Okay, then why'd you put money on it? Okay, you opened it. Why'd you put money on it? Okay, interest is accruing. Takes 8 years to pay off minimum payments only. No late fees this year, but $408.67 of interest. 28.99% interest rate. Okay, Quicksilver. What's going on with this?
Yeah, that's hers.
Okay, is everything yours?
No, he has one.
He had the 401k loan, but that's it.
He has one credit card. I have most of them.
And
though.
like thousands? Okay. So we consolidated your debt. Then you opened a lot of debt.
Yeah.
Did it all again. Okay. Quicksilver, $2,194.58. The minimum monthly payment is $76. $54.93 of interest accrues. 14 years to pay off. And when you were talking to Lindsay, you were blaming living in a small town and your local banks drilling having credit into people's head because you lived in a small town. What?
Well, that's how they said you needed a credit card growing up.
Yeah, like they wouldn't let us get a car or anything until we had a credit card.
Credit's a good way to build credit, but that doesn't, not if you're a moron with credit cards.
Yeah, like if you're going to build your credit, the best thing you can do is whatever the amount is, just pay it off at the end of the month. Every month. Even if it's a small amount. As long as the credit card company sees that you are consistently paying the amount, you're on time, you're not late, and then you never have to accrue any interest. Easy way to build credit up. You don't have to put a ton of stuff on it. Just put something on it and continually do it, but don't overload it. Easy way to build your credit up like that. But yeah, I wouldn't overload it. 29% interest, that will absolutely wreck you. You're better off if you have the cash, put that, in a bank or a credit union, I would prefer, and borrow against yourself. I mean, if anything, if you're going to have to pay an interest rate, you're better off paying a lower interest rate by borrowing against yourself or some sort of equity that you have on your own versus borrowing from a credit card company.
What's your credit score?
I think mine's 680 something.
Okay. Sound as bad as I thought. It's basically maxed out, so you're probably just spending on this until recently. It's at a 28.99% interest rate. No late fee, but you have had some kind of fee.
I think it's just the fee that
Cash
comes with it.
advance, it looks like. We've had cash advances on this.
No, I've never taken money out of
payments that have qualified as cash advance then. A purchase that is done. Oh, you did huge hauls of Ulta on this car.
No. I usually only do one Ulta purchase a year, and that's on Afterpay.
Yeah, but it can be a huge haul. No, it wasn't on this card? I have you buy stuff for yourself on this card, and you did huge Charles of Volta on your card. You're really into your appearance, and hair and makeup stuff are essential for you.
God, hair and makeup will just burn through so much money. It's absolutely ridiculous, folks.
I do that. I do one big purchase at Ulta once a year.
You have a lot of makeup on right now.
Well, that's perspective. I mean, I feel like you are more into like people who like natural beauty, and like.
Yes, I like when people are attractive.
Well, that's also a matter of opinion.
Well, you said natural beauty.
Natural beauty, like
So
that don't wear makeup, and like I wear makeup because I have like. So when I was younger, I was super skinny, and then like I gained a lot of weight. So like I wear makeup.
Makeup doesn't cover that. Gym changes that.
We're gonna fight, but that's fine. Whatever.
What? No, makeup doesn't make you skinnier.
I didn't say it made me skinnier.
She don't think.
What are we fighting about then?
She doesn't think she has natural beauty. She's really hard on herself about that.
We all have our own types. But what are we fighting about? Losing weight? There is something happening there.
It is way more expensive to cover up the problem than just to fix it. I get women are going to be uncomfortable, but at the same time, you're going to spend way more, I mean a lot more money on product, on cosmetics, all that stuff to just make yourself feel good rather than a $30 gym membership and actually going and actually making yourself really feel good. And you will look better and it will fix the problem and you will be healthier and you will feel like the benefits are way better. I mean, when you just buy makeup, you're just going into debt. But at least, you know, if you pay for a gym membership, you're going to get something out of it.
You're going to throw the victim thing out again. I need a minute.
For what? What happened? Well, maybe you can answer. What?
I think saying the gym fixes that.
Well, no. When it comes to
It does.
losing weight,
Yeah.
makeup does not do it. It is the gym.
Yeah. I think
She
she just
doesn't
took
have
it
to
to
lose
heart.
weight if she doesn't want to, but makeup isn't what fixes that.
Yeah.
Is what I was saying. It's dieting and gym.
And,
No?
And she does that, but not seeing results is discouraging.
That certainly is, but like, okay. Oh, we'll pause for a second and give her a second. Go see what's going.
Yeah, this is one of those moments where, you're just absolutely bluntly to the point, objectively true, but you don't say it in a way that is very receptive from the other party. Despite how you look at it, that's just more or less what that happened.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a little weird. I'm going to bring Lindsay in real quick. All right. The producer, Lindsay, you know, from the post show and
Hi, guys.
Hammer Squad and everything, behind the audit, all the goodies.
Yep.
What is happening?
They're not coming back.
Just straight up not coming back.
Straight up not coming back. This is the first time that this has happened.
Folks, look, I get your emotions are going to be hurt. You know, Caleb Hammer struck a nerve. I understand that, especially for a woman, you're talking about makeup. But when you're paying 35% interest on this, 29% interest on this, you've got interest and fees coming out of all sorts of stuff. You've got thousands and thousands of dollars worth of debt. You're spending money on makeup. Like you're not solving the problems. You're not fixing the crack that the leak is coming through. Like you're just trying to patch it, like just cover it up really, but you don't want to look at it. I get the stuff is uncomfortable. I get finances can be strenuous, but you have to be really able to take a hard, objective look at what you need to do in order to fix your current situation. And if you're going to get too emotional over the whole thing, you're never going to get out of it. You will never get out of debt or better your financial scenario if you cannot get your emotions under check. Because if you can't do that, you're not going to be able to spend properly, change your habits, anything like that. You're going to be in that doom loop, hiding away as the problem gets worse and worse, and you just keep trying to cover it up more and more. And in the end, you're just going to be bankrupt. But folks, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about what Caleb Hammer had to say, trying to help this woman out of her finances. What do you think they should do? Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.